What's happening with your baby is Raj? What's going on with you? This is a bank over here. Private investment bank. Banking, lending, wealth management. Today, man, I'm very grateful, man. I'm eternally grateful. First of all, I'm grateful for ICT and the dev and the engineers at Lux Algo. Trading view and the whole Forex game. Now there's what got me interested in ICT was when I started looking at funding programs. I started looking at Trading Nut, man, watching his videos, watching his interviews. And I see a lot of people from ICT was getting funded. Now, I never heard of ICT. I just kept seeing ICT this, ICT funded trader. And, I'm skeptical. I've been burnt a lot in the past. Learn Forex. So look, I'm not new to Forex. Even though I'm back at it, I'm not new to it. Took a couple Forex courses. Been involved with several Forex MLMs. Nothing wrong with them. They just MLMs. Tradera, Our Markets Live, Epic Trading or something. And I was looking to get another one, But, with them, they just sell signals. They give you basic education. From what I seen, from what I was doing, I don't know what they're doing now. I started seeing Our Markets Live starting to fall off when they started doing fucking e-commerce and shit. I'm like, what the fuck are they doing e-commerce for? This was years ago. They just started doing e-commerce. I think they're doing travel now, man. I'm not sure. Could be wrong. But anyway, I started watching ICT and I didn't understand nothing what the fuck he was talking about. Because it was completely different from what I was taught about trading. I was taught candlesticks, trend lines, support resistance, trying to learn engulfing candles. Follow the trend, shit like that. It's a little bit about pullbacks, reversals. The basic shit motherfuckers be talking about. I want to give a big shout out to Full-Time Trading too. Full-Time Trading, he has a course. And however you get the course, man, you go get it. Smart money concepts is the shit. What they call this, like, I don't know what the name of it is. I think it's called smart money. See, when I first came back in the game, I was trading all the pairs all at once. I was trading Bitcoin, kept getting smashed, gold, kept getting smashed, silver, won a couple, kept getting smashed. And I had alerts on every single pair that was out there. I got a meeting in a minute. I had alerts on every single pair. And I would go in, I would trade one lot, two lots. And I used to think that when people was trading with 20 lots and 30 lots that they were scamming. See, I was always taught about risk management. They told us to manage our risk, never risk more than 1% per trade. Even in trading for a living, they said don't risk one, But nobody never really explained it until the guy really from my perspective, I got it. I finally clicked when I was taking a course from Full-Time Trading. And he whipped out, look, all this shit is free. All these resources are free, right? He whipped out my FX book position calendar. Now, I never played with a position calendar before. I played with the long, short thing on TradingView, but I never played with the position calendar. Because I was always trading with one line. And I was always trading with multiple different things. And I kept wondering, I was getting better, but I was still losing. wonder why this shit ain't working, man. I'm trading all these pairs, and I'm watching my mentor. I'm watching everybody. Oliver Velez, I like him. And Oliver Velez says something. He said, dude, just trade one pair. He said, when you get hired and you start to work for a big hedge fund, they're going to assign you one stock, right? Maybe two, maybe three, depends, but they're going to give you one. And they're going to let you sit on that one. And, you know, as a beginner, when you're trading, you and I got a lot to work on. And this is my journey. This is my documentary. I'm not claiming to be an expert or a guru. I'm just documenting my journey. And lost my train of thought. But we have fear. We have to overcome fear of loss, fear of missing out. I'm reading a book by Mark Douglas, The Disciplined Trader. But we really do have to overcome the fear of losing and the fear of missing out. And that's why we want to trade all the pairs. And I couldn't figure out which pair I wanted to trade. I didn't know if I mean, they said pick one, but I don't know which one to pick. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You know, I cut hair, I'm a barber. I got 2 clients that trade Forex. One of them just got funded. I think he told me about phantom trading, and the other one told me about full-time trading. He's about to get funded on a $400,000 account, and he's using smart money concepts. Now, any trading skill would work. Any indicator would work. Any strategy would work. But from what I've seen, you got to pick a strategy, and you have to learn that strategy, and you got to master that strategy, and you have to be okay with the market doing weird shit in your strategy, right? And don't bet too big. Don't trade too big, right? That's what they all say. That's what all the expert traders say. Don't trade too big. And I'm thinking, well, how the fuck can I make money if I can't trade too big? Because I didn't understand the position size and the risk management. I think position size, risk, I mean, there's a lot that goes into trading, man. It ain't just, well, this is the most important thing is risk management, or the most important thing is the pair you choose, or the time frame you pick. I think the most important thing is, man, you just got to study, man. You really got to want it, and you can't give up on it, even though you're not getting it right now and nothing ain't clicking. When you're ready, the teacher will come. Now, ICT been around for a minute. I never heard of the guy. But he been around for years. He got his mentorship back in 2017, but I never heard of this shit. But now there's a lot of ICT YouTubers and people that's putting out courses from his teaching. Now, I don't know who started it. I'm not knocking nobody. I give big shout outs and I commend everybody that's doing it and that's giving it to the people, right? But this shit is crazy. I never seen nothing like it. Plus, when you add on Lux Algo's indicators, holy shit. Lux Algo price action indicator. See, what I do with the indicators, I combine them. Now, don't do it. You got to play with one of them first. Like, the indicators are crazy, man. You got to play with them. Now, let's get back to the one when I realized this the shit that fucked me up. See, when I was in IML, they did say that, right? Big shout out to iMarkets Live, IM Academy, right? Look, man, big shout out to them, man, because if it wasn't for fucking Chris Terry, right, a lot of niggas wouldn't be trading. If it wasn't for Chris Terry, a lot of motherfuckers I know or who got in the Forex game, they wouldn't be in Forex if it wasn't for this motherfucker Chris Terry. So you can hate on you can hate on him if you want. It's a network market. It's a MLM. It's a scam. So the fuck what, man? That was the introduction to a lot of people in the game, right? And if it wasn't for him, you won't see a lot of these big names, right? A lot of people use them just to trash. So like, Chris Terry created a fucking economy, man, for a lot of people. Blew the fuck up. People branched off, they ducked off, man, it's business. A big shout out to them. But I remember them saying that he said pick 3 Forex pairs. Right? I remember them saying that. Pick 3 or 5 or some shit they said, man. But the education was, I don't know. I guess I wasn't ready for it yet. So I don't know if you believe in God or you believe in the universe. A lot of people now into New Age, the law of attraction. Yeah, I mean, shit like that. People still believe in Jesus. Whatever you believe in, man. I don't believe in none of that stuff, man. And I don't have anything against it, but I do believe that, I truly believe that everything happens for a reason. And I do believe that, I don't know if it's guidance, that's the only word that I have in education for it, but there is something that tempts you to quit. There is something that puts you through a bunch of bullshit to lead you to where you are right now and to where you're gonna go. Because guess what? Where you are right now ain't where you're gonna stay at. I don't give a fuck how bad your life is or how good it is. Look, man, it can get gooder or it can get worser, right? And making money is just gonna amplify who you are. It's gonna make you better. It's gonna make you a better dad. It's gonna make you a better wife. It's gonna make you a better girlfriend, right? If you like fucking bitches, you're gonna have bread to go be meeting bitches all the time, right? You're gonna be looking good. You're gonna be in the clubs. You're gonna be networking. You're gonna be around people. You're gonna be more attractive, right? If you want to build legacy wealth, you're gonna build legacy wealth for your children, for your grandkids. You're gonna buy real estate. You're gonna teach them how to trade, right? You're gonna build YouTube channels. Listen, I think every trader should build a YouTube channel. Why not? Look, I got 2 other YouTube channels, and they pay me every single month. I got 3 of them, really. The other one I stopped. But YouTube pays you every single month like clockwork, and it ain't going nowhere. TikTok pays you. I think it's every month. But, yeah, I mean, they got affiliate programs. You can make courses. It's the Forex game, right? And that's generational wealth. That's another flow of income. That's the income that's going to be there for you. If you can make a lot of money trading, you can. And these people, now, I used to think they was lying. The guru haters, the people that be gossiping about the gurus lying about making all this money riding around in Lambos and shit, big houses. It's fucking pot. Yo, I see it. I see it, man. You can. Once you understand the concepts and you get discipline and you get the experience, see, you got to have the experience. See, trading is a business, right? So we look at trading as we're going to get money fast. We're going to get money quick because it can come quick, right? If we catch the right signals or if you get the right guru, we get in his group, we're going to get rich and, we're going to be riding in a Lambo by the summer, flying in private jets and shit like that. It can happen, right? It's there. But in the beginning, I've been going deep. And every guru, every real guru, every mentor, they said, trade small. Don't worry about the money. Get good at trading. Get your experience up. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry about rushing into a funded account. Take your time, man. Chill. Listen, those funded accounts ain't going nowhere, right? And they got good marketers. They got good marketing. They got good deals. They're going to try to rush you into a funded account. And they're not doing it. They have a business. It's not their fault. They have a business. The brokers, they have a business. The gurus, they have a business. They want you to buy. They need traders. You should listen to Trading for a Living. Listen to that whole audio book before you spend another dollar on trading. Before you bust another trade, listen to Trading for a Living. I forget his name, but some Russian dude. Just type in trading for a living and listen to the audio. Listen to it while you're sleeping. Listen to it while you're getting dressed. Listen to it while you're driving a car. Cut everything off. Listen to that shit. Anyway, when I cut everything off, I focused on one pair. I'm trading a pound USD. I'm focused on that one pair. Now, I always heard the gurus and the teachers and the mentors and the educators, they always said there's enough opportunity, man, for just one pair. And I was like, it's no fucking way. Because listen, man, you don't know what you don't know until you fucking get experience. Once you start, listen, every course, even if it's a bad course, you're going to learn something from it. You're going to get some pieces from it. You're going to get some nuggets out of it. You're going to be like, oh, shit, I never thought about that. And then once you apply that shit, like when I applied the position calculator, I put 20 fucking lots on a trade. Move my stop loss 3 pips. And I ain't know this shit, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I followed the smart money concepts. I bought in the order blocks. I put a buy limit in the order blocks. That shit hit the high. I got the signal. Boom, hit that shit. That motherfucker came down and shot right back up. I'm like, holy shit. I went to sleep, woke up, my fucking count was in blue. And I risked 3 pips. I was like, dude. But before, I was doing 1-to-1 ratio. No fucking wonder I was losing money. It's like a casino. See, when you at the casino and when you sports betting, see, this is why I think there's true guidance out here, right? There's something, I don't know what it is, right? But when you're sports betting, see, when you're sports betting, the odds is always against the casino. Even if you win 50% of your games, you're losing, right? It's like flipping a coin. Because it's the spread, it's the gap, and you pay the vig. So number one, you're paying a commission to the broker, and you're paying the spread. And sometimes you might pay slippage. There's 3 things that you got to pay as a trader before you even pick up a dollar, before you get paid, before you go on a profit. That commission that I put on that 20 lot trade was $72. And I'm like, holy shit. $72 commission. What the fuck? Right? And I'm like, no wonder these motherfuckers is making money. If you got 100 fucking traders dropping $72 commissions a day, whether they win or lose, you're getting fucking bread. You got 1,000 traders paying, let's say if it's half of that, $35 commission. Holy shit. That's only for one fucking trade. You know, motherfuckers be over trading like a motherfucker. Over trading and over leveraging. The money is in the game. This Forex game is crazy. That's why motherfucking Raja Banks opened up a motherfucking brokerage. That's why the bull Swaggy C, he started, I don't know the story. I really don't know him. But he started his own fucking prop firm. I don't know if he started it as his own or he partnered with somebody. I don't know. But they got a fucking prop firm. Motherfuckers is getting bread. The Forex game, baby. Shit. Y'all motherfuckers. Man, look. You should let me back in this motherfucker. But I'm not there yet. I'm taking my time. I still ain't fucking show you the computer. I ain't show you my back testing. I ain't show you none of my results yet. I'm just here documenting my motherfucking journey in the Forex game. And I wanted to quit. I bought the Mark Douglas book from Barnes & Nobles. I was selling fucking business loans. And I was on my way to studying cannabis. Because I wanted to sell the fucking marijuana business owners, people who own dispensaries. So I wanted to study up on the weed game. I wanted to know all the words and the keywords and shit like that. I wanted to figure this shit out. You know what I mean? So I can intelligently talk to cannabis business owners. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's the gay flag or not. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Whatever, man. Look, if you want to be gay, man, be gay. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Only people got wrong with gay people is fucking religious people. So if you want to fucking, if you're a dude and you want to be gay, be gay. You're a woman, live your life, man. Fuck everybody. They don't even know if this shit is really true or not. Fuck them. A lot of pollen. But anyway, man, it's a lot of bread in this game. Look, study. Don't quit. I was about to quit. I bought the fucking book. That's what I was gonna tell you. I bought the book from Barnes and Nobles. I took all the cannabis books back in magazines. So I think I had about $80. I ain't had my receipt. I think I had one receipt. They gave me store credit, and it was one Mark Douglas book in there, The Disciplined Trader, and I bought it. It was $55. Then I realized I could have just bought it off of fucking eBay. I could have bought both of them for $20. And I'm telling you how I bought the book because I didn't want to write in the book. And I didn't want to underline it. I didn't want to write in it and scribble it because I was on the verge of quitting. I was thinking, I'm like, man, this shit too hard, man. I'm like, I'm not going to get it. It's no fucking way. I'm like, how the fuck is these motherfuckers making money? Every time I push the button, I follow the rules, but the trade goes the opposite way from what I'm doing or for what I wanted to do. Kept at it. Kept doing free trials at the fucking FTMO. You know what I mean? Always failed to defeat the free trial. I'm showing you, I'm over here right now because this is a courthouse where I'm at. And when I was a young boy, see, they changed this courthouse. It's a new one down there. See that big building, the thing sticking up, that's the new courthouse. I used to go here all the time when I was a little boy, getting locked up, going to jail. It's fucked up, man. But I think I had to go through that shit. And now and they put the courthouse in the middle of this beautiful, nice neighborhood. Rich people, money. And I'm across from this wealth management bank. Now, with this skill you got, you're gonna get it if you don't have it. But you will acquire it if you don't quit. These banks will pay you out the yin yang for your skill. I'm gonna leave you with this, and I'll be back later. Robert Kiyosaki has the cash flow quadrant. Now, even if you own a business, every business owner that I know, it's not all of them, but most of them don't like their business. They want to be done. They want to get out. They're finished. They're tired of it. And they got to keep working. They got to keep hustling. They got to keep banging. They got to keep grinding. Why they got what made them get into the business, their why is their why isn't working anymore. You know what I mean? Because it's the constant grind. You know what I mean? Taxes, customers, marketing, employees, and changes in the fucking environment, changes in the industry. You know what I mean? There's all kind of shit in business, man. Right? Competition. You know, fucking competition can swoop up on you. Like, you know what I mean? I cut hair on the barbershop before. And now around where I'm at, man, a barbershop, dude, there's no fucking... A barbershop gonna open up literally right around the corner, sometimes on the same block where you at. I know a barbershop, this motherfucker's opened up 2 doors down from the motherfucker. Like, what the fuck? Another barbershop opened right across the street. Competition, man. That's called market share. But with Forex, I mean, I see the Forex game as unlimited income. Number one, you got trading. Number two, you got ad revenue from videos and shit, right? Once you get your name up, once you get out there, you can make money from videos, right? AdSense. And Forex has high CPAs, right? Affiliate programs, sponsorships, courses, right? And now you can build prop firms, right? You can build your own prop firm. You can build your own brokerage. So that's 7 different flows, man, right? Let's not even talk about a fucking bank. A bank can hire you. Dude, a bank, if a fucking bank hires you, dog, and you drop 1,000 lots on a trade, 2,000 lots, 5,000 lots on a trade, 10,000 lots, right? And you got to be with a liquid ass market. And I don't know that game. I don't understand it enough to do that. But these motherfuckers is playing with some crazy bread. And that shit don't even have to move a bunch of ticks. Look, man, smart money, Lux Algo. I don't have any affiliate links right now. I'll do that shit later. But ICT and Lux Algo, for me, that's what I'm doing right now, right? Full time, smart money concepts, whatever. Find a strategy that works for you. I don't give a fuck what the strategy is. Find one that works for you. Run with it, stick with it, and master that motherfucker. All right? Yo, I see you at the top, man. Stay focused and hit me up, man. All right? I'll start putting my links down there below. And I got you, man. Stay focused.